Has your university education provided you with enough knowledge to just come out of college and start on the production A to Z? Most of you, if I answer, if I ask that question to you, are going to say no. What is happening today is there's a big divide between university education and the way production is required in the field. Projects have quick deadlines. Under these deadlines, we as engineering heads want to give out the problem solving to the best of our engineers, to those who can by themselves take responsibility to solve their problems. So what do we need out of the budding engineers today? We need them to understand the behavior of these structures. We need them to go to as many seminars as possible to gain knowledge. We need them to go to as many sites as possible during their free time so that they can learn what's going on, what are the issues during construction. We need them to read a lot too. And we need them to apply their mind to innovative solution making. Believe it or not, talking helps. It helps when you come into a firm and can say that I know how to read construction documents. It helps when you come into a firm and say, hey, I know how to design and detail it. And then you can join hands with your draftsman to create good construction documents. Like it or not, even if you are working 24 hours a day, if your construction documents are bad, you are going to get a very, very bad reputation from the site. You're not going to get any new projects. I want you engineers to bridge that gap between your education and what is required in the field or what is required in the office to do production. We at SJC are creating a line of programs to bridge that gap. Whether it is seismic engineering, whether it is post-tensioning, whether it is construction documentation, whether it is building information modeling that is taking the engineering world by storm. Come train with us. Come to us, talk to us. We can bridge that gap for you. And believe it or not, when we bridge that gap for you, every other firm out there is going to want you in there, including us. So I don't want you to be in the dark. You need to understand that when you're going to come out of college, your expectations in terms of salaries are high. But are you able to provide that kind of a production to your engineering firm? If you're not, then it's very difficult to have that expectation. You should not. But if you have that knowledge with you, believe it or not, what you ask for, you're even going to get more than that. So let's try a very different way over here. Let's bridge that gap. Become good with your knowledge about behavior of structures. Have control over the softwares. You are the engineer. Let not the software dictate what you're going to design. You are the engineer. You dictate over the software, over the results that you aspire. And then you are going to be in demand. And we can help you with that at SJC. Come to us. Call us. Thank you.